The water cycle. Water all around us. Water covers most of Earth. It's found in lakes, rivers, and oceans. It's on top of mountains in the form of snow or ice. It's deep under the ground. Water is even in the air around you. The water you see today has been around for a long time. Did you drink water this morning? It might be the same water a dinosaur drank a million years ago. How is it possible? All water on Earth is recycled. Although you can't always see it happening, Earth's water is moving around in a never-ending pattern. This pattern is called the water cycle. From liquid to gas. Imagine a puddle of water on a hot day. As the day goes on, the puddle of water gets smaller and smaller until it's completely gone. Although you can't see it anymore, the water didn't just go away. The puddle grew smaller because heat from the sun turned the liquid water into an invisible gas. This is the first step of the water cycle. It is known as evaporation. Most evaporation on Earth happens in bigger bodies of water, such as rivers, lakes, and the ocean. Up in the air, when the water is in the form of gas, it's called a water vapor. Air carries the water vapor high into the sky. As water vapor rises, it cools and becomes tiny droplets of liquid water. Then the water droplet from clouds. This step of the water cycle is called condensation. Sometimes water droplets in this cloud grow too big and heavy for the air to hold. When it happens, they fall back down to Earth as rain, snow, sleet, or hail. This step of the cycle is known as precipitation. Where does it all go? Sometimes the water that falls onto Earth flows across the ground after a while. It collects in rivers and streams that carry it to the oceans. This step of water cycle is called runoff. Runoff is important because it carries water back to the ocean and keeps the water cycle going. Other times, the water soaks into the ground. This water is called groundwater. Groundwater helps us grow our food, and it's also an important supply of water we can drink. A lot of this water also keeps moving underground and later reaches the ocean. The water cycle is more important. The water that falls from the sky makes its way into oceans, rivers, streams, and lakes. From there, the cycle starts all over again with evaporation. The water cycle helps life on Earth. Without it, lakes and rivers would dry up. Rain would stop falling from the sky. Plants wouldn't be able to grow. There would be no water for people and other animals to drink. The water cycle helps make Earth a healthy planet. Water is truly amazing.